Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another Starline Immobiliser on this really lovely brand new 72 plate VW Multvan. How the system works, if someone was to grab this key or clone the key and jump in and try and start it, if they try to start it, this would happen. So let's just jump in, hit the start button, foot on the brake. As soon as we try and put it into gear, as I take my foot off the brake, you'll see it'll actually go straight back into park. Okay, let's try and go forward. As soon as I try and drive away, it goes back into park. Okay, really simple, really straightforward form of immobilising. As I go to drive away, it goes back into park. So now every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, standard procedure, start the vehicle up, insert his push sequence. On here we've done something very basic, so 1 2 1 2, wait for our melody. There you go. And now if I put my foot on the brake, select to gear, as you see, we can drive away. Okay, really simple. As we can do, we can drive away. Okay, if the customer wants to take this for a service or a car wash and he wants to put it in valet mode, this is also very simple. And the way he would do that, tap the start button on to main ignition, insert his code, wait for the melody, and then hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Start button off, pause and back on, we get 2 bleeps. There you go. This is now in valet mode. So now if I actually give it about 30 seconds, start the vehicle up, you'll see I'll be able to select a gear with no problem at all. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. Okay, I think that should be about 30 seconds now. Start the vehicle up, select a gear, there you go, no problem at all. Okay, when you receive the vehicle back, to take it out of valet mode, this is very simple. Just basically start button on, insert your code, hear those 2 bleeps and out of valet mode. Okay, also finally, if you wanted to change the code, this is also very simple. On this particular vehicle, there's many buttons on the steering wheel and the window buttons also for a code, but I'm just going to do something very basic just to change it. So ignition on, first of all pass authorization by disarming, receive our melody. Okay, then hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times and cycle the start button off and on. So 1 2 3 4 5, start button off, pause, back on, you get 5 bleeps. So we know we're in programming mode. So I'm going to do something basic. So let's just do this one. Just for video purposes. Wait for a confirmation. And confirm. Wait for the same confirmation and the code will be learnt. There you go. So shortly now, if I turn the ignition on, you hear that melody? That means we didn't leave it long enough. Okay, so let's just turn the ignition off, leave it about 10 seconds, try the old code, and then we'll try the new code. I think that should be set now. So that was the old code. No confirmation. So start button off, start button back on, try the new code. There you go. Start the vehicle, select a gear. There you go. Drive away. Okay. If you'd like to get one of these fitted, my name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 028 9060 478. 028 9060 478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.